Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if YouTube videos are not playing on your phone. So in order to fix it, I have 3 methods for you guys, and I'm going to use an iPhone as example. However, I will also show you guys how you can do the steps simply on Android. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure to check the Wi-Fi on your iPhone or Android and make sure that you have a good and strong Wi-Fi connection. You need to have Wi-Fi enabled in order to watch YouTube videos, and it needs to be a pretty strong connection. Otherwise the YouTube video will just keep on loading and it won't play for you. So that's the first method you want to check. The second method is we are going to clear the cache of our YouTube app. We don't have a clear cache button within the YouTube app, so we're going to use the settings app over on our iPhone. Simply click on General, iPhone Storage on your iPhone to clear the cache, and then scrolling down till you find the YouTube app. So let me quickly find it. Right here, and now to clear the cache of your YouTube app, we're going to simply click on Offload App, and this will most of the time fix a lot of issues you have with your YouTube app, such as YouTube videos simply not playing or not loading. So yeah, now you just, like I did, reinstall app, all your data, documents, everything will still be there. This will just give your YouTube app a refresh and clear all the cache that's potentially on there. This should not take more than a few minutes to update again. So in order to do this on Android, all you need to do is then scroll down on your main settings page all the way till you find YouTube. Or of course on Android you can type in the search bar YouTube, and then there you will have a clear cache button. So it's much easier on Android actually, because Android has an actual clear cache button, and we're going to use the Offload app on iPhone, but on Android you simply have a clear cache button within the settings app. So for example, if this was YouTube, you would have seen here a clear cache button. Then the third and last method I have for you guys, and this actually fixes for me, is really simply going into General, and then going into Shut Down. Click on Shut Down and simply just shut down your phone for a few seconds. This will give every single app on your phone a quick refresh, including YouTube, and this will also fix a lot of issues you potentially have with the YouTube app. This actually worked for me, and this is how I fixed the YouTube videos not playing issue. So yeah, that's how you can fix if your YouTube videos are not playing on your iPhone or Android. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.